Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about our friends over at Crezco and how Crezco and QuickBooks works really well together. Now, for people who are not aware, Crezco are actually best known for the fact that you can actually receive payments without having to put card details and things like that. They've got a really clever system where it's all about making sure that it interacts with your bank account, on your app, on your phone, and you can switch between them and it works flawlessly. We've already done videos of it and I'll try and put links to them here, there and everywhere. But they've gone one step further. Not only are they looking to make it sure it's really easy for you to receive payments, but they're going to make it really easy for you to make payments, and it interacts with QuickBooks as well. So join me as today we're going to have a look at their new features and how it works. And I, for one, think this is really, really exciting. So this is a video that's not to be missed. Roll that intro. Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Aaron Patrick. I am a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer with a fancy new logo. Oh, look at this. That QuickBooks chap on the internet and head of accounts here at Boffix. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the wonderful world of Crezco. And it is one of those solutions out there that I think more people need to be aware of. First of all, let's have a quick look and a recap of what we've already looked at within Crezco, and then see what else they can do. So here's Crezco in all its glory. See, we've already talked about this, card payments everywhere, and it gives you the opportunity to be able to make it really straightforward. Select a bank, approve payment, and payment sent. So instead of having those traditional ways of requesting payments off clients, where you might just put like your bank details in, or maybe put some sort of payment solution gateway where they have to type in their bank card or whatever it's going to be, this is about sending a link and then letting those people make those payments dead quick and easy. What also happens is it's really, really low transaction fee, in some cases completely free of charge, and that's what we absolutely love. The whole point of no payment details sent online, security, and you can see here see how you can help receive instant and free payments. And that's what we've already gone through. If you remember, here's what it looks like in terms of the dashboard, and you can connect this dashboard to QuickBooks. So when we send an invoice via QuickBooks, you can see over here that you get pay by bank and you get a link. If I was to click on that link, it's going to take me straight to the Crezco page. And from here, I can initiate that payment. I press confirm, pick where I want to make the payment, and then I go through the process of making that payment. And it's super quick and easy. Now, we have done videos before on how that process could be a little bit better, but we're reliant on basically QuickBooks to do that for us. We need them to open up their API and give access to people like Crezco more tools to make it a nice pay now button like we have with some of the other functionality in QuickBooks. But what Crezco have also done is made it even better to be able to go to that next step. And what we're really excited about is the next step of actually making it so it's really easy for you to make payments as well. Let's have a look. To the top left-hand corner of Crezco, not only have you got accounts receivables, which is what we've been looking at, but also account payables as well. And here you can see a whole dashboard of making payments. So in here, I could add a brand new bill, add a new contact, and then that contact will be able to put in the information needed to be able to instruct them that it's being paid. Put in reference number, put in an amount, create the bill, and then once it's been created, you then have the option, when it's ready to pay, to prepare payment link. And the idea here is we can put in immediate payment or schedule the payment, making it really straightforward. Using that same technology about receiving payments, but this time making payments. And as an accountant, what makes it exciting for us is that gives us an opportunity for clients to be able to go, right, how about we initiate these payments and then you as the client, you actually the one who approves them. So that means we can do the hard work of making sure that things are getting paid on time at the right time and the amount and everything else. And you as the client then just have to approve those payments as they go through. And it makes it really easy because you get the prepare payment link and then that is your approval. You go through, you initiate payment, everyone's great. And in really exciting times is when you think about how that could work for your payroll. Think about the idea that from a payroll point of view, you can grab that payroll link. Payroll's been created by some third party, say Boffix, and at that point we brought all that information into Crezco, we initiate all the payments, we send that link over, and not only are your pay slips created, but also the initiation for paying those employees as well. And that makes it really, really powerful. So to do that, top right hand corner, you have the option to import payments, and you can see here accounting software that's supported. Xero, QuickBooks, BrightPay, KeyPay, and some others. And included in this, and it pains me to say this, but this is again the whole issue where QuickBooks hasn't opened up the APIs, and it's so frustrating, is that you even have the integration with Xero to import those bills automatically. So here's an example. I've got a pay run to do, and that payroll run. So I've just created a payroll for £1 to be paid to Aaron Patrick. So let's export that pay run. Then I go into Crezco, grab the file that I've just generated, say that it's a QuickBooks one. At that point then you can see here, everything's all come through. So there's my pound, there was all the details I already had there, save import payments. So at that point then, I'm now ready to pay this one. So I can prepare my payment link, say that I want it immediately, or I could, being a payroll, I probably would schedule it, but let's just get this payment link set up. Copy that, and I would send that to my client. Okay, so I've got my payment ready to go to Mr. A.A. Patrick. So I press confirm. Revolut, go straight there, business account. And then all I need to do is press authorize. Do you trust it? Yes, continue. And as quick as that, just waiting for payment process, payment initiated. Simple as that. All I did was do the information on QuickBooks, export it, import it into Crezco, generate a couple of links, send those links off to a client, and they can initiate those payments just then. And for me, that's done and dusted. I can now finish that. Everyone's happy. I've now got an audit trail of it. And it means that now, that's going to make my life so much easier. And that's made my life so much easier. It was quick, it was easy, it was simple. And I can even make it so I can make payments to international as well. Let's have a look. So when I do add manual payments and create the bill, I can choose what currency it's going to be paid into. And that's going to make it really easy for me to make payments to maybe external sources that aren't in GBP. And that adds a real value to this whole service, because actually, if you've ever tried to make payments to anywhere outside the UK, it can get really, really tricky. But having Crezco as your backup for it, but having Crezco as the third party for it, it's going to simplify that whole process. And it's definitely something I absolutely love. And there we are. What do you think? I think personally, Crezco has made a solution that makes things so much easier for us. We looked at it from a payroll point of view, but you can use it as well as exporting bills, so suppliers being paid. And it is just a case of extracting the information from QuickBooks, put it into Crezco, and you're good to go. And I know they're working hard and trying to convince QuickBooks to make that integration even better. Is this a problem you've been having before? If so, let us know in the comments below. How have you had issues in making payments before? What can Crezco do to help you look at that? Well, that's it. That is today's video done and dusted. Hopefully you can see how quick and easy and simple it was. Even I'm surprised at how easy it is. And hopefully then you'll be able to go out there and be able to do the same. Either this is going to be a new way if you're an accountant to be able to do a new solution for your client to help them actually make their payments to payroll, or this could be a way in which you as a business owner can look to make it even easier for you to be able to make payments. And don't forget, while you've got Crezco there, make them the solution for receiving payments as well. Because as we can see, the idea that it makes it that easy for someone to make a payment to you is literally clicking a link, authorising it in their app. Things cannot get any better than that. My name's been Aaron Patrick. Hopefully you've found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to use that like button, subscribe and all that sort of stuff. If you have any comments below, then let us know and we'll be able to incorporate that in a future video. My name's been Aaron Patrick. As always, this video has been a pleasure and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Don't you worry, it was just for fun.